Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show how to take Windows 10 system recovery image. If something happened to your Windows PC, you can just restore with the system image in your previous state, in previous build. So for that, right, go to your settings. So open the Windows settings and click on this update and security. Here you can see this backup option. So here you need to choose this. If you created a backup using the Windows 7 backup and restore tool, it still work in Windows 10. So, but I need to go to backup and restore. So here you can see this create a system image. Click on this. So it's found an external hard drive. So it has found the external hard disk which I have Seagate. You need to attach it to your system or laptop. So click on next. Then you can choose your drives and start backup. So Windows is saving the backup. It will take some time to complete this process. So now you can see the backup has been completed successfully. Once it has taken the backup only, it can create the system repair disk. Do you want to create a system repair disk? Yes, I'm going to choose that. The system repair disk could not be created. Windows did not find a CD burner. If you do have a CD DVD burner, make it sure it's connected. Okay. So as of now, backup is completed. So going to my Seagate. So you can see this Windows image backup. So that's it. This is the way you can take image backup of your Windows. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedback in my video. Thank you. Bye.